Cool Kids YouTube channel out in San Leandro. Clearance store right next to Oakland. This spot does get pretty crazy. I've been here a couple times. All right, let's look around. Let's look around. Starting with the 10, 10 and a half. And this is one of the locations where they're very particular about how they organize. Unlike the Santa Clarita office, they have all the Jordan boxes here all together. Even the Deltas, Jordan 200s. Got all the Nike recycle boxes and then all the other Nike boxes. Nike basketball all together as well. Got a few Jordan retros here. Jordan utilities. These are going for $80. Jordan 2s, $120 for these. Ja Morant's, $100 for these. 60, we've seen these in Santa Clarita so many times. Zoom Freaks, 60 for these as well. Saw these a bunch of times for what, $70? $130 here. Prestos, these are usually cheap, $70 here. Scorpions, these are a size 10. Oh, these are a size 8. It's supposed to be a 10. $100 for those. ISPAs, these are usually hella expensive. The ISPA links, $100 for these. Infinity Run 4s go for $80. That's a hell of a deal. These have been given away at the regular outlets. They're going for $70 here, a little more expensive. Different colorway going for $80. This one also going for $80. This is a size 10. GT Cut 2s go for $80. That's a really good price. These Nike, oh, these are Team Banks. Team Banks, these are $80 as well. Del Dons, I think these are the ones sitting in my house for somebody I know, $50. I got mine for $25. Why not? 0.6s, $70 for those. Jordan 37s go for $80. Zion 3, $70. Got some Forces right here. These are size 7 in the wrong spot. Go for $70. These are some of the retros, which are better material. But yeah, $70. Checking out the size 9s. Dude, got the 2 trays right here. Santa Clarita had these for $35. They are going for $70 here. 70s are going right. But it was just hilarious. Santa Clarita had this for insane cheap. Got Dornbeckers right here. These are not from the current Dornbeckers, but from I think the year before. But yeah, man. $60. $60 for Dornbecker Prestos. I don't think most guys are wearing that much pink. This one's a little much as well. $140 for these. BRSBs. Some SBs right here going for $40. Paper Edge Elite 362s going for $60. These Jordans. Jordan 1 lows. Oh, these are Jordan 1 low golf right here. Okay, these are $120 for these. Oh, I thought they had 3M. Now they don't. $120. Another one, Jordan 1 golf right here. Black one, $120. 8.5s. Not really seeing too much today, to be honest. Very similar to what we've seen at the clearance, the Santa Clarita clearance store. $80 for these. These are all 8.5s. Seeing those Jordan 2s again. Seeing a lot of the same stuff. Trainers with no freaking box right here. What the hell is that about? God, I haven't heard this song in forever. Dude, got these Air Max 90s right here. Going for $70. Whatever happened to this group? This group died like so quick. Just a one-hit wonder or something. No, they had one other song that was pretty decent. But yeah, the ADG 4s going for $80. Got Zion 3s going for $70. So these just people not putting their shoes back. I think these are just people not putting their shoes back. I don't think there's much to this, so I don't think anybody's camping. Yeah, not really seeing too much quality. All right, gonna move on to some of the apparel. We'll go back to the sneakers. Haven't checked the big sizes yet, but we'll check out all the men's over here. I feel like everybody's been looking for tech fleece lately. Dang it, we don't know the price, fools. We don't know the price. We got all black right here, $60. Normally $110, so almost 50% off. This new tech fleece is so nice. I do have tech fleece on right now, but got some of the older tech fleece. The new one does seem a little bit nicer. Got some Therma fit right here. And what these going for? These bad boys going for $25. 65 to $25. That is a hell of a price for these. These are all double XL though. Got a pullover right here, pretty thin, but 75 down to 30. ACG gear right here. You know this is gonna be expensive because ACG not cheap. Not ever cheap. Yeah, $160 down to 60. Ooh, $100 off. Jordan jacket right here down to 30. Damn, I was so happy to hit up another Nike clearance store and just not really suit too much today. We'll come back to the apparel in a few minutes. Let's go check out some of the bigger sizes. They got those Jordan 2s in every freaking size. These are 11s and fools just putting stuff back in wrong spots again. Presto's going for 60 right here. Air Max 1s. Some decent looking Air Max 1s going for 110. Lakers colorway going for $80. Metcon 8s going for 60. All right, I'm moving up to the size 13s because I kind of need to wrap things up. I have 15 minutes. I have about 10-15 minutes before I have to leave because I need to catch my flight home. 80 for those. Dang, that's nice. That suede is hella nice actually. Wow, that's a good price. Are these still? Yeah, these are 130 still. That's insane. Got some Hirachis going for 60. Size 14s. Kind of seeing a lot of the same stuff. Zoom Freaks. Do got these. These are just being given away. SB Heritage Volks go for 35. See the Metcon. See the Zoom Freaks. Immortalities. Checking the women's section. Man, I am so addicted to these. I need to grab one of these eventually. The Invincible Run Flyknit 3s. Still going for $80 though, man. Vapor Max 2023 Flyknit's going for 100. I'm in the size 8, 8.5. Air Force mids right here going for 60. Got a bunch of Forces. 60 for those. 60 for these bad boys. All black going for 90. They raised the price on those. Air Max 97s going for $80. Blazers pretty much free. $25. This is a canvas bad boy right here. Got leather ones right here going for 50. Suede ones right here going for 50 as well. Zoom Fly 4s going for 80. See what these 270s. This is the cheapest Air Max 270 we've seen in forever. That's $80. $80, not bad. These retail for like 160. Jumpman 2 trays going for 70. Got some Air Force ones right here. These like some premium ones or something because they got them. Oh, they're Luxe. Man, they got them priced at 110. I don't think I've shown what I've worn. I've been wearing the same stuff all day. So obviously I came here on an airplane. But yeah, do got these bad boys on. Infinity Run Flyknit 3s. I got these for like $35 or something crazy. And then got some Tech Fleece on. Finally got these Pro Standard pants fixed. They got a tear on them, so I did get them altered. But finally got those fixed. But yeah, wearing some Laker stuff. I'm determined to find something interesting. Something interesting. You got Tech Pack jacket right here. These are the puffy jackets or the poofy jackets. $100. So decent deals. Decent deals. I don't know about that color though, but they got this one right here going for 100. So this is like a super winter coat, dude. This is like a serious winter coat. And then got these ThermaFit ones. Holy cow, this looks so warm. $100. Normally $350. Only issue with these, just sizing has to match. This is a medium right here. Dang. Got the Real Tree pullovers right here. I am a huge fan of these. Don't really need another pullover, but there's a price tag, y'all. Y'all messing with me. Oh well, so much for that. The hell is this? As soon as I walked in here, I did look at these because I was like, is this Laker stuff? No, it's on. It's on. It's on. $30 for those. These right here, these are double XLs. And yeah, they're 25. Got a pullover right here. This is a thick one. This feels like the hoodie I have at home. That's super, super thick. $30, normally $105. That is a medium. Always big for a medium. Got it in black here as well. This is a double XL though. $30 for those. They got all kinds of racks of shorts. I'm not really finding anything like super high in quality though. Got all kinds of t-shirts. These are all $15. You know, like if this is your thing, you know, this Familia, never mind. I thought it said something else. But yeah, if you can find a decent t-shirt, this is not supposed to be here. But if you got to find a decent t-shirt for 15 bucks, not bad. They have another 15 rack right there, 10 and 10. And they got more and more shorts. They got the sweatshirt right here, or sweater. It's actually a sweater. Gonna be super bougie. Pretty big discount, 180 down to $60. They got it in black here as well. But I think I'm done. My last video here in the Bay Area. I gotta go home. I gotta go catch my flight. But that's pretty much about it. Thanks so much for watching till the end. Definitely appreciate each and every one of y'all. Make sure you help a boy out. Make sure you press that like button. Gonna be back out in LA. Gonna be hitting a bunch of spots. Hopefully get my car situation figured out and stuff. But yeah, we out, man. We out. See you guys. Man, I was just walking right past the car. It's a rental car, so I'm not used to looking for a freaking Corolla. This ain't bad. Pretty good gas mileage, man. Driving through a tunnel. Don't have too many of these in LA, especially long ones like this. This one's long. Drive through a whole mountain. Okay. By the way, I'm not looking at my phone. I'm looking on the road the whole time. Okay. That's what fun. Love flying in and out of Burbank, but this bad boy gets packed too. This boy does get packed sometimes.